In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Zoho CRM. Dealing with duplicate records can be a daunting task, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to clean up your data efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, identify the record that you suspect might be duplicated. This could be any type of record, whether it's a lead, contact, or account. Once you've pinpointed the record in question, open it up in your Zoho CRM interface. Once you have the record opened, you'll want to look for the More Actions menu, which in most cases appears as three little dots, often affectionately referred to as the ellipsis. Click on this ellipsis, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option called Find and Merge Duplicates. This option is your gateway to a cleaner, more organized CRM environment. Now, onto the matching criteria. Zoho CRM provides you the flexibility to choose how duplicates are identified. You might want to go by email, which is a common option, or perhaps by phone number, or whatever fits your needs. Choose your preferred matching criteria wisely, as this will directly impact the effectiveness of the search for duplicate records. Once you have your criteria in place, hit Search. Zoho CRM will sift through the records to find those that match according to the criteria you've set. Then, you'll need to select the duplicate records you wish to merge. You can choose up to 3 duplicates in this process, depending on how many matches are found. Now comes a critical decision: choosing a master record. Think of the master record as the primary record you wish to retain after the merging process, retaining the essential and most accurate data you have. Be thoughtful, considering which record holds the most comprehensive and updated information. As you approach the final step, be prepared to resolve any field conflicts manually. This part involves a little bit of finesse, as you might encounter discrepancies between the records you're attempting to merge. Review each field carefully and decide which data you want to be preserved in the master record. For example, if there are differing phone numbers or addresses, consider which one is most current or accurate. With all decisions made, go ahead and click Merge. This final action will rectify the duplications, combining them into the master record you've chosen while eliminating unnecessary clutter in your CRM. And there you have it. By carefully following these steps, you can maintain a clean and efficient CRM system, ensuring that your records are accurate and easy to manage. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or a seasoned user, mastering this process will definitely improve the quality of your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.